Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Aries at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tignan po natin ngayon kung ano yung mensahe para sa iyo, Aries, at yung bagay na hindi mo nakikita parating. The Page of Cups, the World, the Hangman, the Page of Wands, and the Eight of Pentacles. Bottom niya is the King of Pentacles. Okay, Aries, so nag-start tayo dito with the Page of Cups. So, may umpisa to ng pagsasend ng message of love. Okay? It could be na nakatanggap ka, or sabihin natin na ikaw yung nagbigay. Okay? Take it as it resonates. But definitely merong mensahe of letting that person know that you like the person, that you have feelings for this person. Kasi page pa lang siya, so alam mo yung umpisa pa lang na talagang tipong mga mukhang puppy love type ng relationship. Yung pa-cute-cute muna. Ang sumunod na card mo kasi dito is the World. Pero nagkaroon ng ending, no? Nagkaroon ng pagtatapos. Itong, sabihin natin, either ikaw yung nangligaw o ikaw yung niligawan, nagkaroon ng pagtatapos. Yung cycle na yon. Okay? Kung hanggang dun lang yung naging parang nangyari sa inyong dalawa, kasi humihingi ng panibagong cycle yung relationship nyo. Okay, kung ba parang tama na yung ano lang, hi, hello, yung mga ganung-ganung stage ng courtship, or courtship, more of courtship kasi niligawan ka pa lang. Kaya anong nangyari, dahil kasi nagkaroon nga ng ending, parang walang movement, walang galaw, walang tawag dito, yung walang naging development yung relationship. So kung ba tinitignan mo kasi to, you're trying to look at it on a different perspective. Kung ba parang ano na kaya nangyari, ba't nagkaganon? Diba? Parang iniisip mo, bakit biglang tumigil? Nag-umpisa naman kami ng okay. I appreciate yung mga small gestures niya, or I think what I did is to really just let the person know exactly yung how I felt, na in a very, sabihin natin, safe way of letting the person know. Kung ba, syempre, umpisa pa lang yan hindi mo muna ito todo-todo, diba? Tama lang. Kaya iniisip mo, anong mali na ginawa ko? O meron ba akong hindi nagawa? Now, there's another messenger here. Message of passion, no? The Page of Wands. Baka sabi mo, baka kailangan na yun yung kulang ko, yung hindi ako masyadong passionate about, no? Hindi ko pinapakita yung other side. Kasi kung gaba dito, yes, I let them know na I love you, I like you, ganito, ganyan. Passion kasi is something really much deeper, no? Kasi pag you're talking about passion, it involves a lot of things. So, pwede yung dito papasok yung creativity mo eh, no? Yung pagiging magaling mo kung paano ka manligaw o yung person kung paano ka niligawan. Makikita mo kasi kung gaano siya ka into you, no? Kung gaano siyang kung gaano kanya kagusto talaga. No? That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so kaya um, ikaw, what you do is kasi you just focus on work. Focus on work muna kasi parang, oo, may passion, mayroong message of passion, but sa ngayon, kasi maliit pa lang at umpisa pa lang talaga eh, kung gaba parang bagito pa lang to, you know. Work ka lang muna. You work, and work. Focus ka lang talaga sa trabaho mo to earn more money para, alam mo yun, yung usual, your mundane things that you do every day, no? Kasi, dito, with the King of Pentacles, I think you want somebody na ganito eh, yung matured, na you can rely on, somebody na stable, sa kanyang career, sa pera, sa lahat, no? Something you can depend on, na very wise. And the King of Pentacles is an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, o meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. I think this is the one that you've been parang looking into, na sana ganito yung person, rather than ito, yung bagito ba, yung mga bagits-bagits pa lang. Kasi ito kasi, with the Page of Cups, this is a water sign, no? Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, talagang puro love. Ito kasi more of the practical side of life. Alam niya na kung paano kumilos, anong dapat gawin, mas sure, kung gaba, wala kang iintindihin kasi ikaw yung iintindihin niya. Okay? Kung ba ikaw yung baby niya, ipapamper ka niya. We have the Six of Swords, the King of Cups, the Moon, the Four of Swords, and the Knight of Swords. Bottom niya is the Three of Pentacles. Yung Six of Swords dito is you just wanted na tahimik. You want a place na tahimik, no? Walang gulo, walang intriga, walang hassle. And maybe with the person that you love, no? Ayaw mo na ng gulo-gulo pa o chika-chika. Gusto ko tahimik lang na buhay na kasama yung person na mahal mo. You might be, sabi ko nga, you might be dealing with a water sign. So this is King of Cups is a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, o meron siya na sa kanyang chart. But things are still unknown, no? Hindi mo pa alam eh. This is the energy from a Pisces. So we have two Pisces card, the Hangman and the Moon. So if you're dealing with a Pisces, also Aries, no? O merong Pisces sa iyong chart, hindi ka sure eh, no? Medyo malabo pa lahat. Hindi ka clear. With the Four of Swords, sinasabi dito, pahinga mo muna to. Magpahinga ka muna. Hindi ka kasi nga sigurado eh about, you know, yung gusto mo nga, tahimik, na may andyan yung love of your life, pero hindi ka sure. Kaya magpahinga ka muna. At with the Knight of Swords, wag mong bilisan. Wag kang magmadali. In other words, wag kang magmadali. There's no need to hurry up. No need for speed, no need for expediting things, yung mga ganon. Walang pangangailangan para madaliin ang pangyayari. Ang kailangan mo is magkaroon ng cooperation or harmony within kayong dalawa. Magkasundo muna kayo, maging okay muna kayong dalawa, maging compatible muna kayo. Kesa yung, di ba, yung parang Mamadaliin ko na ba to? Hindi ganun yung action na dapat. Dapat establish nyo muna yung kayong pareho na okay kayo, nagja-jive kayong dalawa. We have the Magician, the Eight of Cups, the Death card, the Eight of Wands, and the Ace of Pentacles. Bottom niya is the Ace of Swords. Okay? So, Aries, di ba sabi ko nga, gusto mo yung isang lugar na tahimik lang. That's what you've been manifesting, no? Pinagdarasal mo yan and hoping na sana nga matupad dito. Bakit? Kasi you are walking away, or you wanted to search for something else, no? Para bang you are in a journey, parang may hinahanap ka no? Kasi andito yung world, no? Asking for a new cycle. Pero ito na nga, dumating na yung iniintay mo na kung gaba yung person to love, no? This is what you've been waiting for. O hoping na yung pag-start ng cycle na to, makita ko na yung guy o yung girl na talaga magmamahal sa akin, ang tunay. And I think that is what you've been looking for, no? Yun yung hinahanap mo. Now, with this, kasi it's something that is truly unknown. Parehong dalawa lang nangyayari kasi nga hindi mo alam kung ano nangyayari. Kaya nagkaroon ng ending. Pero yung ending na to is just to change things, to transform, baguhin, no? Hindi talagang tapos na tapos. Kasi ang kailangan is communication, Aries. It needs back and forth communication. Yun ang kailangan. Hindi yung dito kasi, di ba, nagkaroon na siya ng message of passion. But you sleep on it. Hindi mo pinansin. Tinulugan mo. Parang wala lang. But ang kailangan is tuloy-tuloy na pag-uusap. Diba? Kaya nangyari, nag-focus ka sa work to a point na talagang ngayon minamadali mo na lahat kasi siguro may na-realize ka na that you wanted this new beginning with the Ace of Pentacles, something that is tangible, something that you can offer this person na talagang, ay nako, this time talaga ito na yung sasabihin ko, ito na yung i-offer ko kasi ang dami ko namang nag-work na ako I've worked hard, I've enough money to prove to this person na I'm worth it. Kaya ngayon minamadali ko na, pinapakita ko sa kanya talaga na, hey, meron na ako nito, i-offer ko na to sa'yo, new beginning na to. And hindi lang yung new beginning sa money, but also new beginning pagdating sa communication. Kasi di ba sabi ko sa'yo dito, tuloy-tuloy dapat yan, tuloy-tuloy dapat yung communication. This is communication, no? At hindi lang basta communication, you are willing to be honest about it, no? Open. Kaya because of that openness, ayan, because of that openness, mababago yung fortune. Mababago yung takbo ng tadhana. Okay? Aries, mababago siya. And that would be a different ball game now pag nabago na yun. Okay? So, you just need to communicate. Usap. Umaksyon ka. Hindi yung puro wala lang. Kaya nga humihingi ng pagbabago diba? Kaya dito yung death card. Because it needs change. It needs to transform. Ano po yung message niyo pa kay Aries? Angel? It says here, romance. Kailangan ng romance. Baka naman kasi wala lang. Alam mo yun. Listen to your intuition. Yes, of course. Always. And wait. Wait for it. Hintayin mo lang. Huwag kang nagmamadali. Diba? Ito, sabi ko sa'yo, no need to rush. But, kasi nga, parang ano-ano ka na to provide this new beginning. But sabi ni Angel, wait ka lang. Listen ka muna sa intuition mo. And what this needs, itong relationship na to, is to have this new beginning, is to have romance. Okay? So, kailan yung timing po nito? Release the need to control the situation. Oh, yeah. Wag mo i-controlin yung sitwasyon kasi kinokontrol mo eh. Just let it go. Pabayaan mo si Lord. May si God mag-orchestrate nito para sa'yo. He would do it in His perfect time and you would see na you will be more happier. Ano pa po yung message for Aries? Peace. I am a being of love and I release all negative energy. Okay. Tama yan. Katahimikan, di ba? Well, simula itong negative energy na yan. Hindi yan kailangan sa buhay. We only need positive energy and belief in God and be patient about it. Listen to your intuition. Put romance to this relationship para maging maganda yung new beginning. You have 2 aces. New beginning. Okay? So, kung kanino mang Aries itong nakuha nating energy ngayon, maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sana nakatulong ito sa'yo. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.